You can never go wrong with eggs. That includes omelets. Here I'm going to show you how to make a simple omelet. You'll need 2 eggs, salt, and black pepper. Find a small bowl and crack your 2 eggs, then approximately put 1/4 salt and black pepper into the mix. Then find a fork and whisk the eggs. Set your stove to medium heat and use about 1 tablespoon of butter. Once the bottom of the eggs are slightly cooked, turn the stove down to low heat. Then take a spatula and carefully roll your omelet. And there you have it!